concept ng Savoy Hotel. Ito na ako, kumbaga, syempre nakaka-visit naman din tayo sa mga hotels. Diba? In Angeles, in Clark, in Manila. And it's my first time to see this kind of concept, this kind of architectural design na inalign talaga nila dun sa architectural design ng buong 35.6 hectares development, and that is to built-in heritage.
Yep.
But with the Savoy Hotel kasi, we have the inspiration here, which is the Hotel Riu, Madrid, in Spain. So it's one of the giant hotels in Spain na yun yung naging inspiration. Kaya ang ganda lang, even yung combination ng colors. Ang ganda.
Grass,
terracotta, sage green. So sabi ko nga, it's my first time to see this, to see parang encounter this kind of concept in even the architectural design.
Yep. Actually, yung mga concept na yan, like yung ginawa nila sa McKinley.
Yes.
I'm not sure if you've been to McKinley already, yung sa Taguig.
Yes.
So,
parang nasa Venice.
Sa
It's a
Venice.
Venice-inspired living.
Nagawa nila doon. So, what more dito sa Pampanga? It's more improved and enhanced version doon.
Yes.
It's more of
Upgraded, yung mga
European.
deliverable nila.
And it's bigger. It's 35.6 hectares, diba?
Yes. No competitor.
And napakalapit sa Manila, di ba? So, parang gitna Central Luzon Pampanga, di ba? You're going to Clark, you're going to Manila, to Subic, sa north, sa south,
Center talaga siya. Yung San Fernando.
At ilang minutes from Philippine Railway dito?
Yung sa San Fernando Station natin, it's just 5 minutes away.
In 5 minutes?
Yes, di ba?
5 minutes, imagine that.
5 minutes ang lagi niya sa development. So going to Manila, it will just parang I think from 2 hours to 30 minutes na lang going to Manila. It will reduce the travel time.
Yes.
That's the advantage being near sa PNR.
It's really prime when it comes to its location. Doon din naman talaga.
And no competitor na yung concept. Diba? Even in Angeles, in Clark, we don't have this kind of township concept. So I think it's the first time here in Central Luzon or here particularly in San Fernando.